I will give you the best Telegram bots on the market and will help you find the one that fits your needs. And I've been creating bots for over 5 years, tested over 200 platforms and reviewed 50 of them in depth on my website. So what you're getting is not another affiliate roundup. This is what I recommend to my own clients. And for each one of these tools, I will give you the pros, the cons, the pricing, and most important, which one is best for you. So let's start with the first one, and that is ManyChat. So ManyChat is the best tool for marketing automation and customer support on Telegram. And it's not only Telegram, you can also add it to WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, SMS, and email. And what makes ManyChat so great is that it is so easy to use. And even if you've never created a bot before, you can create your first automation in minutes. And ManyChat offers a flow builder, which is super easy to use and super easy to set up. And whether you want to use ManyChat for marketing automation or customer support, it has you covered. For marketing automation, you can send Telegram broadcasts, you can collect user information, you can connect it to your CRM or your email marketing platform, but you can also set up sequences, set up rules, and even do A/B testing. And you can also automatically reply to questions. And if your bot doesn't know the answer, you can hand over the conversation to a human and then can take over the conversation with the ManyChat live chat. And for more advanced users, ManyChat also offers an AI add-on which gives you access to AI intents and an AI flow builder assistant. And you can also connect ManyChat to other tools. So ManyChat offers some direct integrations, for example with ChatGPT, but also with email marketing programs or HubSpot. And you can also connect ManyChat to Zapier or Make, which allows you to connect ManyChat to any other tool on the planet. And ManyChat has a free plan that gives you access to the basic features up to 1,000 contacts. And the first pay plan starts at $15 a month and scales with the number of contacts that you have. And if you want to get started with ManyChat or any of the other tools that I mentioned in this video, you can just go to the link in the description. And there you can find the links to these tools, but you will also find some discount codes that will help you get started. And full disclaimer, these are all affiliate links, but it doesn't have any influence on the price you pay, and it definitely helps me with creating free videos like these. And if you want to get started with ManyChat, I actually have a separate video on my YouTube channel where I explain how you can create a Telegram bot with ManyChat. That being said, ManyChat also has a few drawbacks. So the first one is that with ManyChat, you need to create separate messages per channel. So if you want to create one chatbot and then publish that across many channels, there are better solutions out there. Also, when you create a Telegram bot with ManyChat, you cannot use that bot in Telegram groups and Telegram channels. And the last drawback is that the AI add-on of ManyChat can be a bit limited. So if you're looking for a chatbot platform with better AI features, then you should have a look at BotPress. And BotPress is really good for advanced AI chatbots on Telegram. And the main benefit of BotPress is that it has many AI features. For example, you can train an AI on your website or on documents, and it gives you access to intents and entities. You can automatically summarize conversations. You can tune the messages to match a specific personality. You can translate all the messages, and it can even understand images. And this makes BotPress incredibly good. And next to this, they also offer a flow builder which allows you to create your own chatbot flows as well. And with BotPress, you can publish your chatbot on Telegram and 9 other channels. And they also have a live chat feature, but that's only available on the $89 a month plan. That being said, BotPress has a very good free plan which allows you to send over 2,000 messages every month. And then when you're ready to go with their pay plan, they start as low as $5 a month, and you can tailor that to your needs. But BotPress also has some drawbacks. So the main drawback of BotPress is that it is more technical and less beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner, it can take you some more time to get started with this platform because it has a higher learning curve. And then the second drawback is that you cannot use BotPress in Telegram groups and channels. So if you're looking for a chatbot platform where you can create one bot and publish that across many channels, and it also works in Telegram groups, then you should have a look at UChat. And just like ManyChat, UChat offers a very simple interface and a flow builder. And I think the main benefit of UChat is that you can just create one chatbot and then publish that across many channels. And it also is good for marketing automation and customer support. You can set up flows, you can send Telegram broadcasts, you can set up sequences, rules, and you can even do A/B testing. You can also automatically reply to questions, and whenever the bot doesn't know the answer to a question, you can hand them over to a support agent. And likewise, UChat also has a very good integrations with AI platforms like ChatGPT that allows you to use AI in your chatbot as well. And what makes UChat even better is that it has many direct integrations with other tools, over 50 of them. And if that's not enough, you can also connect it to Zapier or Make. And UChat is also very affordable. They offer a free plan and their pay plan starts at $15 a month and scales with the number of contacts that you have. But there are also a few drawbacks of UChat. The first drawback is that UChat is pretty easy to use, but it still can be overwhelming for beginners because of the many features that it has. So it's easier to use than BotPress, but I think it's less easy to use than ManyChat, basically because it has many features. And then the last drawback is that while you can use your UChat bot in Telegram groups, it doesn't offer specific triggers and actions for in Telegram groups. So if you're looking for a platform that has specific actions and triggers for Telegram groups and channels, then you should have a look at Semples. And I think the main benefit of Semples is that it offers specific triggers and actions for Telegram groups and channels. For example, you can send an automatic message whenever someone joins your Telegram group. You can block or unblock users in your Telegram group, and you can also automatically approve join requests. And if that's not enough, you can also automatically add posts in your Telegram groups and channels whenever you have new content on your website. And likewise, you can also send broadcast messages to everyone that talks to your Telegram bot, but also to the people in your Telegram group and your Telegram channels. And besides that, Semples also offers a flow builder, it offers a direct connection with ChatGPT, and it also has a live chat. And aside from Telegram, you can also add chatbots to your website, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Viber. That being said, there are also a few drawbacks of Semples. So the first drawback is that you need to create a separate chatbot per channel, and there's no easy way to duplicate them across channels. So if you want to create one chatbot and then publish that across many channels, there are better solutions out there. And the second thing is that while Semples offers a pretty easy to use platform and also a flow builder, is not as easy to use as ManyChat or UChat. And that's it. Those are the best Telegram bots on the market right now. And if you want to get started with any of them, you can just go to the link in the description where you will find the links and will find some discount codes that will help you get started. And if you think I missed an important platform, you can just leave a comment below and I can have a look at that platform as well. But now that you know them, the next step is to get started with creating your Telegram bot. So please check out this video to learn how.